Hi guys, if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, definitely keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Amanda Renee. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I will be starting on some freshly washed hair, and what I will do is create a part, well, a section that will go at the edge. So I will part that off camera, and then I will be back when my hair is sectioned. Okay, so this part of my hair is sectioned, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my wild growth oil and just put it along my scalp. So that's what I will be doing quickly, just putting it along the scalp. You don't have to do this, but I choose to because I want oil, well, a bit of oil on my scalp. Spreading it over. I don't do this all the time when I'm styling, but I just thought that I should do it this time around. So that's what I'm doing, and then now I am going to part my hair for the cornrow. Okay, so I am back with my sectioning, and I'm just going to clip the rest away like that, and I am going to oil this part of the scalp with the wild growth oil and just like rubbing it in, rubbing it in, rubbing it in, rubbing it in, just rubbing it in along the scalp. Like I said, I don't do this often, but I just decided to do it this time around. And then what I'm gonna do now is just take some warm water, since my hair is low porosity, and just like give the hair a little wetness and rub that in. A little bit more. Then I'm going to go in with the cocoa shea hair butter from Simple Crowned Organics that I mentioned in my previous video, and if you haven't checked out that video, definitely go and check it out after this one. So I am just taking a little bit. I'm kind of using this as my moisturizer, so I'm just raking that through my hair. Putting some on my ends because you don't want to neglect those. I will go in with the aloe vera and flaxseed gel from Beauty by La Cara. This gel was mentioned in the haul that I did, and I will link it in the description box, and I will also put it in the cards so that you can go and check out the video after this one. So I shook it up. I'm shaking it up on camera again, but I shook it up off camera, and then I am just going to I'm just gonna put a little bit so that you can see what the consistency looks like. Like, it's really light and kind of like a jelly, kind of not. So I'm just raking that through my hair. Probably going to add a bit more. I think I should. adding a bit more, making sure that's all over. See how defined my hair is? Well, it's bouncy, not necessarily that defined, but I don't want it to be as defined because I'm not doing a wash and go. I am just cornrowing it. So afterwards, I'm just gonna go in with a brush to just make sure that everything is out, that every tangle is out as much as possible. And now I am going to cornrow my hair. So this is not a tutorial, but I'm just going to start at the front, obviously, and go my way back. And then now I am going to 3-strand twist the ends, and like I said, this is not a tutorial, so if you want a detailed tutorial on how to do 3-strand twists, definitely check out my most recent video that I will put in the cards up above as well, and I will also put it in the description box down below. So I started off with a plait, and now I'm just going to 3-strand twist the rest down. Taking my time because I want this to be as neat as possible. And here is the result. So I'm gonna do the 3-strand twist for this section, and I will be back when I am ready to do the 3-strand twists in the other sections. Alright guys, so I am back with the 3 cornrows. Nothing too complex, just the 3 cornrows, and then I'm going to start on the back of my hair and just work my way up to the front with the 3-strand twist. But this time around I am going to start it as a braid, but not too far down. I'm just gonna probably do a little bit, and then the rest will be the 3-strand twist because I don't want my ends to be poofy, although I haven't completely mastered the 3-strand twist yet, so we will see how that goes, because as I keep practicing, the better I will get at doing a 3-strand twist, where I would not need to do a braid before I start the twist. So I am going to be starting at the back. They are going to be medium sized, kinda, well, just like my other type of twists. Any type of twisting video that I have on my channel, they're going to be very similar to that. So I am just parting the hair, making sure that it's even around the back. And I am going to put the rest of it away. And now I am going to take about this size. This should make a good twist, so I'm just going to take that and I am going to be twisting. So just like what I did for these, and they're pretty moisturized, by the way, pretty moisturized. I'm going to be taking some water. It's not warm anymore, but you know, still gotta do what you gotta do. Raking the water through the hair. Although it is best to have warm water, I don't have any right now in this bottle, so I'm just doing what I'm doing, just raking the water throughout the hair so that it's absorbed and not just on the hair shaft. And then I am going to be taking the hair butter, which is very lightweight despite the name. Well, some butters, like food type butters, are pretty light, so it has that type of consistency, obviously for your hair. And I'm just running it through, making sure to get the kitchen area or the nape area. I'm going to go in with some more gel for more definition. Ooh, y'all see that? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's not as defined anymore, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. And then I'm just gonna run through it with the brush quickly. Then I'm going to start. So I'm going to start with a braid. Three separate sections. I'm going to just start plaiting, but not too far down. Just start plaiting. Plait, 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 plait. I'm gonna start, so I'm just going to be doing a twist. Coiling the ends like I would do for my mini twist, and there you go, the 3-strand twist. So the little braid at the beginning and then the 3-strand twist for the rest of it, and then that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the hair, working my way up until everything is completed. Then I will be back to show you the finished result. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I added 3 accessories to my hair to give it a little pizzazz, and all throughout my hair I just put a bit of wild growth oil along my scalp in each of the sections, and I did a pretty good job. Well, these products did very well, if I do say so myself. And this is the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like this video, and also make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload. And share this video with anyone who is interested in style inspiration, or who just wants a style for their hair and doesn't know what to do with their hair, or just anyone who you think may be interested in this video. And I will see you next Sunday. Bye.